Okay, for systems of equation, convert to matrices. So look what we need to do. Convert to matrices and then solve by Cramer's rule or inverses. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do both of these because you guys have had a problem with it. The first one, I'm going to do Cramer's. The second one, I'm going to do inverses. All right, so let's start with Cramer's rule. First, we have to convert to matrices. So that means we're going to have -3, -2, -5, -3, xy equals to the solutions of 3, 2. Okay, and I want you to notice that we're going to do that for each of these. Doesn't matter which format we're doing it. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and find the determinant. The determinant of this one. So I want determinant of A is equal to, that's going to give me 9. This side's going to give me 10. So it is 9 minus 10. Notice this is your main minus reverse. Okay, then I've got to find, for Cramer's rule, 9 minus 10 is -1. So x is equal to the matrix of something over -1, y equals the matrix, the determinant of something over -1. And this one, when I'm going for x, I put the solution set, and I'm going to change colors on this. Right here, I'm going to put that solution in here for x, 3, 2. For y, I'm going to put 3, 2 in here for y. All right? So what stays in there is, for the rest of them, I get the original ones. So -5, -3, and -3, -2. And then finally, I just do the matrix again for each of these. So this gives me -9, this gives me -10. So I'm going to subtract a -10, which is the same as +10. So this is going to give me 1. So I end up with 1 over -1, which is -1. Sorry, that's the microwave. And then this one gives me -6. This one gives me -6. Guys, when I subtract a -6 here, I'm going to get 0 over -1. That's not undefined. Y is equal to 0. Okay? And then number 16, I'm going to do this by inverses. So again, the first thing I do is have to find the determinant of A, which is 8, -15. So I'm going to have 8 minus a -15, which is a positive 23. Double checking my work. Yes, that's right. Okay, and then I'm going to do a inverse, and that's going to give me 1 over 23 times a magic square. What is the magic square? I'm going to change the diagonals. The main diagonal swaps places, and the reverse diagonal just becomes negative. So look at all those lovely negatives. So on this one, I'm going to take x, y, and it's going to equal the inverse, which every one of these go over 23. It's actually really easy to find that. Over 23, -4 over 23, -3 over 23. I did them in a backwards order. All right, and then times negative 23, 0. Okay, so what that's going to give me is 2 times 23 over 23, which is all of positive 2. 5 times 0 is 0. 3 times 23, 3 over 23 times 23 is negative 3 to be positive 3. And anything times 0 is 0. So I got my answers. They're 2, 3. And I'm going to stop because I'm done. All right.